Okay, now there are 4 quantum numbers N, L, M and S, principal, azimuthal, magnetic and spin quantum number. So first, as you know, if the principal quantum number N is equal to 1, so L will be equal to 0. If L will be equal to 0, as we know that if L is equal to 0, it will be S subcell. So I can write it S. Okay. Now there is one principal quantum year number, so I can write it like 1s. Now understand. Now if n is equal to 2, the value of L will be, as you know, the value of L, you can note it, value of L. Some of the student may be confused in our test question also. Yeah, I had given you the 3d orbitals. So if d is equal to 3 d orbitals, so 2. So this was the question. 3d orbitals के लिए सभी quantum numbers भी लिखिए. As you know, 3d, so L is equal to what? SPD, d2, and n is equal to what? 3. If L is equal to 2, so m is equal to -2, -1, 0, +1 and +2, and S will be plus or minus half anything. Okay, so this was the question. So most of the students have made it correct. So next one, like n is equal to 2, so in that case L will be 0 or 1. If L is equal to 0, it will be S. If L is equal to 1, it will be P. So principal quantum number is 2, that will be 2s and 2p. Okay, now similarly, if n is equal to 3, student, so L is equal to 0 to n minus 1, 0 to 3 minus 1, 2, 0, 1, 2. Okay, now L is equal to 0, there will be S. L is equal to 1, there will be P. L is equal to 2, there will be D. Principal quantum number is 3, 3s, 3p and 3d. Okay, student. Now if n is equal to 4, so L will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 0 to n minus 1, all values. So if n is equal to 4, so L will be 0. So for 0 it will be S, for 1 it will be P, for 2 it will be D, for 3 it will be F. So principal quantum number is 4 now. Principal quantum number is 4. So I can write it 4s, 4p, 4d, 4f. Students, similarly I can write for n is equal to 5. Okay, now I can write it like 5s, now 5p, now 5d, now 5f, now 5g. Similarly I can write it for n is equal to 6, that is 6s, 6p, 6d, 6f, 6g, 6h. So but it is not needed for you, only these are the orbitals. Okay, student, now each orbitals which is written here can be represented as a box, can be represented as box. So I am not going to make it, but you have to understand it. Okay, now the electron will increase, electron will fill on the increasing order of energy. Okay, now first electron will enter in 1s, then it will come in 1s, after that it will come in 2s, then 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s, 3d, 4p, 5s, like this. The electron will enter like this. Okay, so later on we will discuss with the help of this Above principle, Pauli's exclusion principle, Hund's rule, and how to write electronic configuration. Okay, student, as suppose as you are in class 10th, if somebody is saying to you that the sodium is 11, write the electronic configuration, you are writing like this 281. But now according to this configuration we will try to write the electronic configuration. As you know, how many maximum electron in S? There will be maximum 2 electrons. P, there are 3 orbitals, each orbital contain 2 electrons, so in P there will be maximum 6 electron. And D, in each orbital there will be 2 electron, but in D there are 5 orbitals, so maximum there will be 10 electrons. So this is the maximum electrons, okay. So now for example I am going to show you how I can write the electronic configuration with the help of this SPDF. So 11, there is first electron will go in 1s, so it will be 1s. How many maximum electron? 1s2. Now second, electron will come in 2s, so 1s2, that is will be 2s2. Okay, maximum 2. Then 2p comes out to be 2p. How many maximum electron in there? 6. Okay, after 2p electron will go in 3s. The maximum electron will be 2, but there are 6 to 8 to 10, the number of electron is 11, so there will be only 1 electron. So this will be the electronic configuration of sodium with the help of this SPDF configuration. So how this energy will increase, decrease, how the electron will field, what is above principle, what is n plus n rule. So try to understand this all concept from your good refresher book, from your NCERT book. Then we will discuss a last lecture that might be in half an hour, more than half an hour. So we will cover all these things. So be prepared. So try to understand, try to write the electronic configuration and just revise these quantum numbers. So I think this lecture will be very important for you. So if you find anything good for you, anything informative, so please do like, share and subscribe it. So मिलते हैं next video में. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.